Hey everybody, Keith Jones here from 60 Second Profits, and welcome to my website. In this short video, what I want to do is kind of dispel the myth and the fear that people associate when trading stocks or currency. It's become a lot more attainable and achievable for people from all walks of life to start trading currency. And as you can see in front of me, I've got a trading platform. Now this is a company called TradeRush, and they offer binary options, which is where you bet whether something is going to go up or down within a set amount of time, and you get a fixed rate return. But what's unique to them is they've got a 60-second payout option. Now on the screen here, you can see that it's geared up for the USD, US dollar and Japanese yen, which pays out a fixed 67% return if you decide to make a trade saying it's going to go up or down within the next minute. Now, normally binary options work on a 3-point decimal base, but because this is in over a minute, it works on a 5-point decimal base. Now, I'm just going to switch to Euro USD, because if you just see here, this changes to 70% return. Now, this is quite important, and the strategy that I've put together doesn't work with anything less than 70%. In fact, you need, as long as you've got something that has a 70% payout and a minimum investment of $5, you can actually use this particular strategy that I'm about to show you. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to flick back to the binary options tab. Now today it's Tuesday the 10th of January 2012. It's just gone 11:30, and just here on the left hand side I'm just showing you the popularity, which says 58% of traders, this is what this means, 58% of traders believe that the currency is going to go down. So what I'm going to do is I'll flick back to the 60-second page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with just a $5 investment. Okay. Now I do actually have a balance of $251.83. You need around about $300 in your trading account for this system to particularly work. Well, this particular system to work. Sorry, a bit tongue-tied there. But I mean, you can do it with a minimum of 200. But ideally you want 300. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select put, hit start on $5 trade and click OK. And now you'll see at the bottom of the screen, I've got a timer counting down from 60. Let me just move the screen down a bit. There we go. Counting down from 60. And the red colour indicates that I am not going to win that trade. But don't worry, it fluctuates over a 5-point decimal base. And as long as you make 5 trades close to one another, when you're trading like this, you are guaranteed 100% to win at least one of those trades. And that's what this system is all about. So it's incredibly simple. I'm just waiting now for the next 30 odd seconds to tick down. As you can see, it's just gone green. Oh, it's just gone grey. That means you get the equal payout. But here we go. It's just gone green again. And you can see where it says payout, it's saying 8.5. That means I'm going to get $8.50 back. So with a $5 investment, that means I'm going to get a return, or a profit, sorry, of $3.5. So $3.50. So as we just come into the last 5 seconds, you'll see that it's pretty likely that trade's going to win. And there you go. There you have it. It's expiring. It's still green. That means I've won. So that means that my balance has now gone from 251.83 to 255.33. So let me just move the screen so you can see that. So that's 255.33. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pause the video and come back in a few minutes when I have lost a trade to show you what happens next when you lose a trade. Right, okay, we're back, and we've got about 20 seconds on this particular trade, and it doesn't look good. In fact, it's very red, and the difference between the entry point and the current point is so significant that I doubt in the next 9-10 seconds that it's counting down that's going to change to a positive outcome for me. But it's not a problem. I'm not particularly worried. I'm just going to wait for that to expire now. Okay, there you go. And as you'll see, it should come up where it says time in a second. It will say lost. There we go. Right, so as you can see now, my balance, so we started off with 251.83. It's now 257.33. So not a great profit, but around about $6 in 5 minutes. So it's about $1 a minute. So I'm just going to click back onto the binary, and we can still see that the trader majority, the popularity is saying 58% was